Hello, myself Sunil Ramakrishnan. Basically, this topic is related to the Formula Award, and this is basically 65th part. Basically, still now, basically, we have not discussed the formula, actually formula, PMP formulas, attributes, basically, and everything. So here, basically, we are going to discuss how the basically sales industries, GDP industries is going to connect to the formula word. So basically we will see few examples which is going to directly going to connect to GDP and sales. So this topic basically you can say this is the sales topic also of the sales industry, basically how basically the uh, formula words has basically have to take lots of things from the sales department also, basically you can say. So that basically we will see basically how basically sales industries, each and every attributes is going to be added in the formula word, basically that is basically formula attributes, and formula attributes are equal to balance sheet, basically. So first we will see, I will take one example. I will take one example, and basically from this example lots of things will get created, and I will take few examples also. Like this basically, first example basically you can say the World Bank says that according to your requirement, basically which was given to you, which was given by you, that is basically we want this subscription to our country, basically to our country means each and every city. So basically each and every cities basically group says that we have passed your information, we have passed each and every city information to the central government, sorry, the state government, and state government has passed the requirements of the uh, country to the World Bank, basically. So World Bank's told that according to your requirement, this is the subscription which you can purchase it, and according to the requirement, basically you can purchase the subscription, basically. So this is the only subscription, and basically they given few alternatives according to the budget. And first, basically when the requirement was given, the client has told that this is your budget. This is our client means India is client of the World Bank, basically you can say. So like this budget was given to the World Bank, and the World Bank has given the subscription option, basically there are 16 or 15 subscription we have created according to the each and every country study, and according to that basically you can take this subscription. Few subscription are like this. Yeah, if you are taking this subscription, then basically the 90 percentage people will not get disease, and 10 percentage people will get disease. And in 10 percentage which type of disease that is going to come, that list is also given by the World Bank, basically. So like this basically, this is just small example of the disease. Like this basically, each and every things are there. For like for example, 90 percentage people will get the health, no, not get the health, no, will not get the health problem, and 10 percentage will get the health problem, because the subscription you have taken India country, India client, that basically comes into this picture. Like this basically, from 2000, for example, the country contains around 20 lakh buildings. So from 20 lakh buildings, basically few thousands of building might get might contains into damage status, basically. Damage status means it will not get secure, basically. So that also, so they have given the list of the buildings also, that these buildings will not get secure. So basically here, what is actually the government and World Bank is talking, basically they are talking about the sales only. So what the sales means, what profit and loss, basically. So India government is telling that we are starting sales from this, basically. So the country is going to do, countries each and every businessman are going to do according to this only, basically. Whatever the subscription government has taken, according to that the government has started the sales of each and every industry by taking the subscription plan of this. And then according to this subscription plan which was taken by the government, according to that only private groups are going to do the business, basically, because the base is already settled. Base is that subscription which they have taken from the World Bank. Sorry, the India client has taken from the World Bank, basically. So world India is one of the client, basically, for World Bank basically. So the sales has started like this also, you can say. Not like this, you can say 100% like this only the sales has started. So basically, Indian government is telling that whatever amount we have, according to the amount which we got from the each and every sectors, each and every companies, each and every areas, each and every buildings, each and every house, basically up to this level, basically government is telling that we have done the our created our system basically. That's why basically we were able to give the subscription plan basically, that this subscription plan we want basically. So up to the detail level data the government have, basically the Indian government have that this the detail level data. So government, Indian government is telling that we are starting sales like this, from each and every house what is going to be sales, from each and every areas what sales is going to generate, from each and every cities basically what are the sales going to generate, each and every states basically how many sales are going to generate. So according to the income basically which they got, that according to that only basically they are going to take the subscription basically. By default it's basically, so whatever tax amount basically the each and every businessman has paid of for the from the states, from the cities. So basically the businessman assume he's from business Vadodara business Vadodara. So whatever amount, for example in Vadodara basically in Vadodara there are around 1 lakh businessmen, and from 1 lakh basically 30,000 businessmen are from software industry. So the 30,000 people have paid the certain amount, and amount was basically they have taken into consideration because they have got up to that level the income basically. So whatever income that they have got, according to that basically they have paid the amount basically, you can say that also, you can say. So basically it's a India businessman, whatever amount has paid to the central government, according to that basically the subscription is going to take. That is by default basically, and according to that basically the sales has started, that also you can say. So the sales industry is getting start from the subscription, that also you can say. The subscription basically, what subscription is in detail basically I have taken one video basically. In that video you can watch basically what actually the subscription is, what World Bank give the subscription, according to the World Bank subscription offer, what India takes the subscription plan. Because they says that we have to take care of each and every sectors basically, each and every sectors basically you have to take care basically. So for that, according to that only we have taken the subscription plan basically, for the country basically, you can say. So the World Bank says that we have offered the subscription, that whatever of subscription you want, according to that only we have given you the subscription plan. So from subscription, the sales has started. That also you can see. And now basically we are going to discuss about the GDP, that is basically growth development of the country, which is given by the World Bank according to the data they have collected, and how basically this is going to connect to the sales industry, that we will see in the next part, that is basically a 66th part, and this is basically up to 65 basically we have already discussed. And 66 basically we are going to discuss little bit more about the sales industry.